The Silhouette Portrait 4 is an electronic cutting machine suitable for cutting various materials between 5 and 9 inches wide. To ensure safe and correct use of your machine, please follow the instructions in this video and read the user's manual prior to use. Begin with the box on a sturdy and even surface with plenty of room for both the box and the machine. Remove the cords, cutting mat, and any other items above the machine. Holding the center of the machine while lifting it out of the box makes it easier to take it out. Check the accessories to make sure everything is included. The machine, the AC adapter and power cable, the Portrait 4 cutting mat, which is 8.5 by 12 inches. This is different from older portrait models and has a wider cutting area. The Autoblade, which is for cutting all standard materials such as paper, vinyl, heat transfer, and sticker paper. The handheld blade adjuster, which is used for removing the cap to clean the blade. The power terminal. This piece snaps on to supply power when using the optional heat pen. Please read the included safety sheet, which contains precautions to use everything safely. Because many packaging materials, including tape, are often missed when unboxing the machine, we will show how to remove them one at a time.